Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I got my first ever P.Louise budget beauty box. So really quick before we get into the box, if you like these types of videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell because I do upload at least twice a week, but I'm random. I have different days that I upload on. But let's go ahead and jump into the box. And this is what it looks like when you open her up. I'm so excited! And I've seen spoilers for the September box, and the palette is so stinking cute. It looks like a spell book, and I'm like, it's so cute. I cannot wait for next month already. I think I'm just excited to have a new subscription box, you know what I'm saying? So first of all, I'm going to pull out these two. These are their new liquid bronzers, and I got mine in Made to Shade and Coconut Palm. Now these colors are just random, which I really don't like that because we can't customize the colors for us, you know what I'm saying? And these shades look so dark. Like I might be able to make this shade work, but ooh. And this shade is going to be even darker. I might be able to use this shade for like underpainting, but we'll see. I'll definitely find a use for it, that's for sure. Next up is a Partner in Pink, and this is their primer. And that's what the primer looks like. It is a pink primer. Oh, it feels really nice on the skin. It has a nice like fresh scent to it. It actually smells really good. Okay, I'm excited for that. But this is what I'm most excited for. I have never tried a P.Louise eyeshadow palette, so I'm so excited to get this one. The packaging is really cool. I like the packaging a lot. And this palette says, but does it come in pink? Ooh, now that is a pink palette. Look at how beautiful. And I really like how it goes from the light shades over to the dark, so I love that. I mean, this is literally like every shade of pink you could think of. And also, the detail on each eyeshadow is so cool. I am only seeing 6 shimmers in here, and the rest are mattes. So I already have my eyebrows done, and my lids are primed today. So I think I'm going to take these 2 shades and mix them together. So I'm taking Pretty Soul and Pinky Swear and mixing them together. I'm just going to start buffing that in the transition area just to get a nice base put down. And thank you so much to everybody that entered into my giveaway. When I say like 90% of everybody was like, P.Louise, P.Louise, I literally mean like everybody was saying, unbox a P.Louise box. And I have to say that this box got here pretty quickly. I ordered this on the 31st of August. The only downfall about this box is she's pricey. It's $40 a month, but then shipping is like 12 bucks. So I paid $52 for this box. So I'm expecting all of these products to like blow me out the water. Okay, so I am gonna go into spending season. And I'm just going to start putting that on the outer corner. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Of course, I'm going to bring it around into the crease. Same thing for this eye. Bringing it around into the crease. Going back with the first brush and just going to blend out. And these are really blending out very nicely. I mean, the possibility of pink eyeshadow looks is like endless in here. But I'm going to go in with this shade up here. And this one is called Pink Culture. Very pretty. This is showing up really smooth on the lid. I'm just going to try it on my finger and see if that like intensifies it any. And I feel like it does. Shimmer always applies best with the finger. Okay, so actually I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Guilty Pleasures. And I'm just going to use that to deepen up this outer corner. I just feel like it's not dark enough on this outer corner. That looks so much better already. Okay, going to go back with the first brush and just blend everything out. I don't want any harsh lines. Now that I don't have any face makeup on, I can clean up. I'm also going to do a little bit of liner today just because, why not? I am also going to stick on a pair of lashes. Okay, so I got eyeliner and lashes on. Let's go ahead and try out the primer. This primer is supposed to plump, sculpt, and tighten. It's got a lot that's supposed to do. Feels really smooth on the skin. It feels really nice and hydrating. It gave me some nice moisture to my skin though, so I'm liking that. It's not drying, so that's what I need. Nothing drying. I have enough drying of my own. So I'm just gonna go in and add my foundation. This is the Maybelline Skin Tint. I have been testing this one out. I really love to add in a little bit of this Maybelline Superstay, just to kind of like amp up the coverage a little bit. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna go in with bronzer before concealer, just in case this is like too dark. I can cover it up with a little bit of concealer. Is it coming? Slowly but surely it's coming out. I'm nervous. I don't know how their stuff blends out, so I'm nervous. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and start blending it into the skin. Okay, it's blending out really nicely. And this does look like it's gonna be a good color for me. Like I said, the other one, I'm not sure. I might be able to use that one for like underpainting. But I mean, wow, that looks so nice. I am not mad at that at all. That looks really good. I mean, blended into the skin beautifully. This is a really good color for me, which is Made to Shade. I love it. Which actually makes me really curious as to how the darker one's gonna blend out, because this one blended out beautifully. So this one might blend out pretty well. And I'm just gonna get like a little tiny bit and like just dab it on each side. Let's just see what the darker looks like. It's probably gonna blend out really nicely. Yeah, that blends out really nicely. Okay. So actually, I probably don't have to use this one for underpainting, but we can. Like, if you guys are so interested in seeing underpainting, then just let me know, but cool. Okay, I feel better now that I know that I can actually like use these colors and they're not gonna be like too dark for me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of liquid blush. These I get from Temu and I love them. They're only a couple bucks and they're totally worth it. They literally blend right into the skin so easily. Going in with a little bit of this Juvia's Place concealer. Just gonna set the under eye with the Juvia's Place setting powder. And then I'll just set the rest of my face with a brush. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this black eyeliner on. It's from Ioni. Ooh, makeup is looking so good today. I am so happy about my makeup actually. Going to go into Juvia's Place. Just add a little bit of powder bronzer on top of our cream. Gonna go in with this Juvia's Place blush and just add a little as I add a lot. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Beauty Creation. I'm going to use this pink highlighter. So I'm going to jump back into the palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Guilty Pleasures. And I'm going to smoke out that bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go into Spending Season and just add that under the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to go into that highlighter palette and I'm going to use that pink shade. And I'm just going to highlight the inner corner and also that brow bone. Going back and just going to blend out in between the highlighter and that pink shade. Don't want any harsh lines. For my lip liner, I'm just going to use this one that we got from Rasha Cosmetics. And then for my lip color, I'm going to use this all-in-one from LA Colors. I don't know the shade, but I just feel like it goes so well with this eye look. And then for mascara, I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of Milani Make It Last. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of brow gel. Okay, girls, so this is the completed look. I love it. I think it turned out so cute. I absolutely love the whole box. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. I'm definitely coming back to do more tutorials with this palette for sure. I'm so happy that we got these. They are beautiful, blend out so nicely. And so far, this primer is sitting really well underneath of my makeup. Obviously, we'll see how everything wears throughout the day. So I'm going to update you guys in the description box. I'll go ahead and list all the products and then I'll let you know how they wore throughout the day. So in my opinion, I have to say that this month's box was worth the $52. I am super happy with all the products that I got. But as always, girl, let me know, what do you think down in the comment section? Are you going to be picking up this P.Louise box? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!